Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll just try to unbox this keypad mobile from Samsung SM B310E blue color. So this is the precise model and now it is showing currently available, but when the time of purchase I got this for 1040 rupees. Yes, yeah, as this is the open box, the delivery guy only opened this package because they asked that they need to take the picture. See here, Samsung SM B310E. Okay, these are the highlights of this mobile. Enjoy using the bright and crisp 3.86 centimeter 6500 TFT display. Yeah, 1000 phone book, secure phone against theft, long talk time, which is battery, and bright torchlight. Torchlight is also available. FM is also available. It is mentioned like Bluetooth. I need to check dual SIM. Yeah, I'll be checking all of this. Okay, keypad mobile, and we'll see how many slots it has, how is the charger, what is the pin for the charger, and how is the battery life, and how is overall the design, and how is the build quality. And when the time of purchase I saw something like in the box, there are speakers also available, and when the delivery guy took this out I saw the speakers also inside this. See here, this is the main mobile, and this is the charger with this pin, traditional yeah, this is the pin type. Okay, I'll just try to connect also, and earphones and one battery. So what I'll do is I'll keep this aside, I'll just take this out. Okay, I'll be removing this panel, this backside panel. Before that, there is a sticker which stick on this mobile, and the delivery guy also took this off. There is slightly gum here. Yeah, and the keys are, see here, outcoming keys only, means you can feel the pressing, and this is the center button, and the overall build quality is pretty good. Leather sort of touch, which is pure plastic, this one, all this outer material. Okay, yeah, let me insert the battery and switch it on first. See here, I just took the back panel out, and there are two SIM slots, SIM 1 and SIM 2, you can see, and there is a memory card slot also here. If you can see this one, yes, memory card slot also is available. Micro SD, it is mentioned like micro SD. See here. Okay, this is the earphones jack here. I'll insert that also, maybe for the FM, I guess. Yeah, let me insert this battery. SIM I'll insert later, but I'll just switch it on. Samsung and the model number, and there is one sound, startup sound. Okay, how are you today, it's saying, how are you today, time and date must reset following battery removal, set now. Yes, so I'll be setting all these details later. Okay, insert SIM, it is saying. Menu, let us check what is the menu. Call log, contacts, music, calendar, my files, messages, alarms, some game. What is the game here? Sudoku. Okay, later I'll check. And please do comment what else do you want to check on this mobile. Okay, so that I'll be doing that in the next video. Okay, this is FM radio. Earphones not connected, earphones function. Okay, it is asking me to plug the earphones so that it works with the earphones plugged in. Okay, I'll be just taking these earphones out, and at this range of 1040, providing these earphones, yes, this is a good feel actually. After a long time we are seeing earphones in the package. Okay, not that heavy build. This looks so delicate only, but fine. Yeah, there is nowhere it is mentioned Samsung on these earphones. Yeah, and also check the quality by plugging earphones to my normal smartphone, Android phone also. Yeah, see here. Now the FM radio is now searching for the signal as the earphones are just connected, and this is the pin. And I'll do a review video. Please do comment your opinion on this keypad mobile and ask your questions. And if I receive enough likes and enough comments, so that I'll be posting a review video after using this for a month. Yeah, please do comment. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.